Question number 13 of exercise 7.2. Let us put t is equal to 2 plus 3x cube. So dt upon dx. So 2 is the constant become 0. So 3 into dx cube upon dx. That is 3 into 3x square. So dt upon dx equal to 9x square. So this implies dt by 9 is equal to x square dx. X square dx. So this can be transferred the function x square upon 2 plus 3x cube dx. It is become x square dx. In place of x square dx we can put dt upon 9. 2 plus 3x cube we can put to t whole cube. So we can integrate this one. What you will get there? So dt upon 9 t cube integration, that is 1 by 9. We can take t to the power of q to the numerator, it is become minus dt. So putting the formula here, t to the power of minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 plus 1 plus c. It is become 1 by 9 t to the power of minus 2 upon minus 2 plus c. Next is your plus c. Plus c. So multiply here minus 1 by 18. T minus 2 is there, we can take the transpose here, means 1 by t square. It is become positive. So it is minus 1 by 18. What we have taken? T here. T is 2 plus 3x cube. 2 plus 3x cube square plus c. This is the answer. So question number 14 is your, that is 1 by x log x to the power m. What is given here? X is greater than 0. So we have to put the dx. We have to integrate. So what we will put? Let t is equal to log x. So dt upon dx, log x is, that is 1 by x. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. So it will become dt is equal to dx upon x. So dx upon x can be written to dt. So the function could be like this, log x to the power of m dx. It is become turned, that one, dt by log x. Log x is equal to dm. So we can integrate, put the integration here, t to the power of minus m dt. That is t to the power of minus m plus 1 upon minus m plus 1 plus c. So it is, what is the t here? So t here your log x, that is log x 1 minus m upon 1 minus m plus c. This is the answer. Question number 15. What is the question number 15 here? X upon 9 minus 4x square. 9 minus 4x square dx. So let us put t, substitute t is equal to 9 minus 4x square. So dt upon dx, similarly we respect this one, that is minus 8x, because 9 is the constant here. So dt is equal to minus 8x dx. So what we will get? Dt upon minus 8 is equal to x dx. So the function can be transferred like this, x dx upon 9 minus 4x square. This is minus will be become outside dt upon 8. This is t. So 1 by t, what we will get? Minus 1 by 8 dt by t. That is minus 1 by 8 log t. 1 by x is equal to log x, 1 by t log t plus c. So answer will be your minus 1 by 8 log, what is the t here? 9 minus 4x square plus c. This is the answer. Question number 16 is e to the power of 2x plus 3 dx. So let's put t is equal to 2x plus 3. So dt upon dx is equal to 2 only. So dt by 2 is equal to dx. So the function become 2ex plus 3 dx. It is become e to the power of t dx dt by 2. So it is become of e to the power of 2 dt. E to the power of x dx is equal to the power of x only, of e to the power of t plus c. So of e to the power of t means, what is the e to the power of 2x plus 3 plus c. This is the answer. So question number 17, what is given here? X upon e to the power of x square dx. Let put t is equal to x square. So dt upon dx is equal to 2x. So dt by 2 is equal to x dx. So cross multiply here. So now it is become, the function is become x dx, that is dt by 2 into e to the power of x square t. Clear? So now what else you will get there? 1 by 2 dt upon e t. 1 by 2 dt upon e t. So you will get here e to the power of minus t. E to the power of minus t dt. So e to the power of minus t, that will become e to the power minus only. So integration this one, you will get of minus e to the power of minus t, that is minus 1 by t e to the power of t plus c. So minus 1 by 2 e to the power of x square plus c. This is the answer. So question number 18. Question number 18, that is e to the power of tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. So we need to do this one. Let us put t is equal to tan inverse x. So dt upon dx, tan inverse x, that is 1 by 1 plus x square. Differentiation of the tan inverse x, that is 1 by 1 plus x square. So dt is equal to, what we will get? dx upon 1 plus x square. So this is become, function becomes e tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square dx. So dx upon 1 plus x square equal to dt, e to the power of t dt. So now what we will get? E to the power of t plus c. So its answer will be e to the power of t means tan inverse x plus c. This is the answer.